The self credit builder will only give you a card if you sign up for their secure credit card. So as you guys paying into your self builder account, when you guys get $100 in your account, you make 3 consecutive on time payments and your account is positive, you don't have anything wrong with the account, then you guys can sign up for their secure credit card. And then they, at that point, they can give you their secure credit card. But only then are you guys are going to get a card. You guys are just not going to get a card for having that credit builder account. You guys have to sign up for their secure credit card. Then you guys will actually get a card. Now, let me show you guys that self secure credit card so you guys can see like what you have to do to be able to get that credit card, because they not just give you a card. Here is that card right here. Let me go back because they going to not get started. Learn more. So this is how it works. You guys have to make 3 monthly payments on time. You got to have at least $100 or more in your saving progress. So remember, I like the $48 per month. So after 3 months, I should definitely have $100, and then your account should be in good standing. And then you can go ahead and choose how much you want to put into your secure credit card. Then once you choose that amount, then they'll set your limit, and then they're going to actually send you your card. You're going to get your card and activate it, and then they're going to start reporting to the credit bureau about this secure credit card. I like this credit card, even though it's secure. I see people rent cars with this card, so I definitely like their secure credit card. But they're only going to give you that secure credit card if you actually sign up for the secure credit card. They're not just going to send you the secure credit card. You